bag of coconut new with tag.
Heck yeah.
This one's really cute. And this one.
Hello, good morning. It's inside? Okay, thank you. Sí, yo hablo sí. Todo.
Esto es lo que me queda acá. Ayer vino mucha gente y esta mañana también.
Oh, ok. ¿Solo vende que en este cuartico?
Todo esto ya es lo que queda.
Oh, ok. Ok, muchísimas gracias. So just whatever's here. A lot of people came by yesterday and this morning. This.
Ooh, that's really cool.
Key West.
Yeah, I think you should get that.
It's very cool.
A lot of plastic. They found real diamonds though. Mitch Miller? I don't know who that is, but this looks like a nice record.
The Lully. It's right here in front. They're asking. I think they're gonna ask way too much for it. Yeah. See how much it's worth, and then I say, what? Our lowest will be about 40%.
It's between 50 and 130.
¿Cuánto por esto? ¿Qué estás buscando?
$30 te puedo dar.
30.
30.
No, what do you think? It's a little.
Does it work?
Tiene todo acá.
¿Tú sabes que funciona o no?
Bueno, podemos probar.
Wow.
Yeah, we could try it.
Tiene toda la... Debe funcionar. Si quieres lo pruebas. Ahí tiene todo.
Yeah, it has all the parts. Yeah.
No sé cómo... Mira a ver si tú sabes. Y esto,
See if they look for an on button or something.
esto parece que la batería, no sé. No tengo ni idea.
Sí, creo que sí. Ese es la batería. Yeah. Let's see. No, this is probably how you charge it.
Yeah, it would definitely need a charge. Yeah. But it's also being sold as untested.
I mean, we could test all of this
Yeah, I know.
technically.
It could be worth it.
Okay. And I think this just needs a charge.
Eso yo coleccionaba antes. Eso es $1. Okay. Y con esto $1. $2 ahí. $2.
And
Cada un peso es estos.
Sí, los discos son 2 por $1.
Oh, dos por $1.
Yeah.
2 for $1. No,
oh, great.
nada, $1.
And the maps?
Y
Ahí tienes $5.
aquí.
Ya.
Sí.
Depends, yeah.
Y este también.
Both.
Este y
Son a 10 pesos cada uno. Cada mapa. ¿Cuántos hay? No sé ni cuántos.
That was just one. Hay 5 en total.
Ok. Mira, todo esto lo puedo dar por $50 completo el juego.
No tengo espacio por eso. ¿Cuánto por los 5?
50.
50 por los 5. 50. Alright, $10 each.
It's too
Luego
hard.
en 40 los 5.
Or
If we
40.
do this, then we don't take the camera. That's what I think. But we don't know anything about maps.
Yeah, I don't know.
I could
Okay.
look really quick, but
Mirrors, yeah.
yeah, I can't find it.
Well, okay. They're nice, but okay. Yeah, they were.
At least we looked.
No, ahí. No, por eso no está bien.
Camera.
Sí, pero la cámara y esta cosa.
Si quieres te lo puedo dar por 30 los mapas. 30.
30. No, ese está bien. Gracias.
Mira, a ver, ¿cómo se cierra esto acá?
Yo puedo hacerlo. Que sea 30 y...
Gracias.
Gracias. Ok. Ya. Muchísimas gracias.
que tengan un buen día.
A ti también, gracias. Backseat. Well, we'll get some of that out today.
Okay.
No. Lots of stuff. Hello. How are you?
Everything's for sale,
All right, you got it.
even this car.
I was just about to ask. I'm like, you in the car?
There's a lot of stuff here. Decorator pillows. There's 3 black and 3 red.
Yep. Take a look at everything. Thank you.
And books. Lots of kitchen stuff. Those are so cute. That was cute. Check out the big one. The big one is pretty. No, the other, yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I think we're okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Give this to the people. Yeah, no.
Not even a good brand. Full bag of coconut, new with tag.
Heck yeah.
This one's really cute. And this one.
Troll dolls.
Like, depending on the year.
Depending on the year, yeah.
I don't know, this one looks
That-
newer, but
that's
that
an-
looks older.
That's an older one. This one doesn't have clothes. And this is a newer one. Let's see.
Oh, yeah. How much is it?
8.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. This
And
one
that's a
too.
good brand too, decent. We should still look it up, but
Yeah.
all of that, yeah.
Dented. But maybe I can dent that out.
J Ride Special. It's 11.40.
Yeah, I mean, we can make one quick pass. And if we're gonna. Is it ripped or anything?
I don't know. I don't think so. It's just a scarf, I think.
Yeah.
There's a lot listed, mind you, but like they're selling a 5-piece pastry for that much. You see that?
Yeah.
I think we're done.
Yeah.
Let's turn around.
Brittany and I just went to go see the new Beetlejuice movie. We decided to get some souvenirs while we were there, and we got this handbook for the recently deceased and this Beetlejuice gravestone. They both resell really well online. Also included was this Beetlejuice souvenir cup, but there's nothing I love more than movie theater popcorn.